Hello student, in this video we're going to learn your geography chapter number 1 environment. Student sigi chapter sidaisida koi story ama yawi ko aduna masigi story je si koi hana paba ama koi mathau tai maramdi masigi whole topic siga, that means masigi whole chapter siga masigi story siga yamna interrelated oi aduna akoi masigi chapter se discussion tawdring ki mamangda sigi story je akoi hana pa thokpa mathau tai ko aduna mayam munna taro hojikna khoi gi lesson horasi ko. After the long vacation, when Ravi started going to school again, he noticed that the only playground next to his school was dug up. People said that a huge building with many flats will be constructed there. Ravi was almost in tears when he realized that the big playground with its soft grasses, marigolds and butterflies is gone forever. He shared his feelings with his classmate. In the assembly, the principal too sadly observed, "See how our environment is changing." Sidaisida uriba statement, "See how our environment is changing." Hairiba statement je akoina yengba matamda sidaisida akoigi mind da akoina kari stuck tawgadagi haiba matamda environment haiba term jima akoigi mind da akoi stuck tawgadawni ko aduga changing environment se hongba nai haibasimaga akoi stuck tawgadawni ko aduna ngasaigi see how our environment is changing hairibi statement se akoina yengba matamda akoigi mind akoigi mind da stuck tawgadoi se environment hariba term se karino amadi masigi environment se hongba naibra naidabra haibase akoigi mind da stuck tawraga laigadawni ko akoi hojik aduna hojik haurase makoigi marakta laiba adugumba conversation jingse. In the class, Ravi asked his teachers. Saigi class sida yawba student Ravi haiba satra amana ozada hangami ko. Environment habasi karino haidana. What is environment haidana Ravi na makoigi teacher da hangami aduda teacher na kari khumake haiba matamda whatever you see in your surroundings. Rabina teacher da environment habasi karino na hangba matamda teacher du na nangi akoibada nakhoina uriba khudimakse environment ngaktani haidana khumeyab teacher sina adudagi di Ravi sina amu haire maduna takpadi the school buildings, tables, chairs in the classroom, even that open field, the road, the garbage, my friends, all are part of our environment haidana saigi school ki building, table, chair, classroom da uriba adudagidi makoigi open field, lampak, lambi adudagidi garbage or even magi friend jing siguma mayam jing se loinamak environment oibra haidana mahang haire adudaiduda teacher duna yes loinamak environment ni adubu ngaiko ngasai object kharadi nature na semba object, for example mountains, river, trees and animals makoi jingsina nature na sembani aduga ngasai mi jingna semba khara sulai akoi roads, cars, clothes and books siguma mayam jingsina akoi mioi bana sembani haidana ngasai teacher sina khumai ko aduna environment habase karino somda yengsi. Environment is our basic life support system. Environment habasi kaino haiba matamda aikoigi life sibu support tawraga leiba aikoigi basic oiba adugumba system dubuni environment haidana haise. Environment sina aikoida kari pige haiba matamda the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat and the land where we live. Environment sina aikoida pirise kaino haiba matamda akoina sor holiba nungshit, aikoina thaiba ising, akoina chariba chinjak adudagide akoina lairiba land siguma mayam jingse environment na aikoida pibi habani ko aduna takpadi environment haibadi akoigi akoibada lairiba ngasai air, water, food, land adudagide lairiba siguma makal makha kayagi adugumba akoigi life ta support piriba system sibu environment haidana kawi habani ko sida harise aduga masiki makha tarakpada dum yengo. How do human beings modify this natural environment? Koi mioi bazing sina siguma makhalgi natural environment se kamdauna semdoke habaduni sida question nama hangai se yengsi the car fumes pollute the air. Water is collected in a pot. Food is served in vessels and land is used to build factories. ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯌꯔꯁꯦ ꯀꯥꯔꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯩꯈꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯄꯣꯂꯨꯁꯟ ꯊꯣꯛꯍꯟꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯋꯥꯇꯔ ꯏꯁ ꯀꯂꯦꯛꯇꯦꯠ ꯏꯟ ꯑꯦ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯦꯆꯔꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯅꯦꯆꯔꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯀꯂꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯩꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯐꯨꯗ ꯏꯁ ꯁꯔꯚ ꯏꯟ ꯑꯦ ꯚꯦꯁꯦꯜꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯅꯦꯆꯔꯦꯜꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯤꯅꯔꯦꯜꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯚꯦꯁꯦꯜꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯩꯌꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯦꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯦꯛꯇꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯕꯗ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯩꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯅꯦꯆꯔꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯦꯆꯔꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯁꯇꯦꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯗꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅꯅꯕ ꯋꯦꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯨꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯍꯧꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯄ ꯄꯦꯔꯥꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯐꯇ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯍ꯭ꯌꯨꯃꯦꯟ ꯕꯤꯡꯁ ꯃꯦꯛ ꯀꯥꯔꯁ ꯃꯤꯜꯁ ꯐꯦꯛꯇꯔꯤꯁ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯃꯦꯅꯨꯐꯦꯛꯆꯔ ꯀꯟꯇꯦꯅꯔꯁ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯥꯔ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯤꯜ ꯁꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯐꯦꯛꯇꯔꯤ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯟꯇꯦꯅꯔꯁ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯃꯔꯨꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯝꯃꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯗꯤꯁ ꯏꯁ ꯍꯥꯎ ꯍ꯭ꯌꯨꯃꯦꯟ ꯕꯤꯡꯁ ꯃꯣꯗꯤꯐꯥꯏ ꯅꯦꯆꯔꯦꯜ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯔꯣꯟꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯅꯦꯆꯔꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯅꯦꯆꯔꯦꯜ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯔꯣꯟꯃꯦꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯗꯣꯛ ꯁꯥꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯍꯧꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤ Why is our environment changing? Iqbal. ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯏꯛꯕꯥꯜ ꯀꯧꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯔꯣꯟꯃꯦꯟꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯕꯅꯣ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯍꯣꯡꯗꯣꯔꯛꯏꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯍꯪꯉꯛꯏꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ it's all because of our needs ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯈꯨꯝꯃꯛꯏ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤꯅꯅꯦꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯔꯣꯟꯃꯦꯟ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯛꯁꯤ they are next page ꯂꯥꯛꯁꯤꯀꯣ they are increasing day by day we are therefore modifying and at times even destroying our natural surroundings the teacher replied ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯏꯛꯕꯥꯜꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯔꯣꯟꯃꯦꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯍꯪꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯤꯗꯁ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯇꯥꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯔꯣꯟꯃꯦꯟꯇ ꯑꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯈꯨꯝꯃꯛꯏꯀꯣ ꯇꯤꯆꯔꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯇꯤꯆꯔꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕꯁꯦ ꯅꯣꯡꯃ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯛꯑꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯕ ꯈꯝꯕ ꯅꯥꯏꯗꯦ ꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯆꯦꯟꯖ ꯇꯧꯋꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯤꯗꯁꯦ ꯅꯣꯡꯃ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯛꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯦꯆꯔꯦꯜ ꯁꯔꯥꯎꯟꯗꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯣꯗꯤꯐꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯛꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯆꯔꯁꯤꯅ ꯈꯨꯝꯃꯛꯏꯀꯣ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯋꯥꯍꯪꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ from the above conversation you understand that the place people things and nature that surround any living organism is called environment ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯀꯤ ꯀꯟꯚꯔꯖꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯗꯤꯁꯀꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ the place people things and nature that surround any living organism is called environment environment ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ place people things and nature ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ living organisms ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯜꯂꯒ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ place people things and natures ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗꯨꯕꯨ environment ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯀꯧꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯤꯀꯣ and environment ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ combination of natural and human made phenomena environment ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ natural ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ phenomena ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ combination ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ components of environment ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠꯇꯪ ꯑꯩ ꯆꯤꯡꯈꯠꯂꯛꯀꯦ look here components of environment environmentꯁꯦ ꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯀꯩ ꯆꯪꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ natural ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ human made ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ human made ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ human ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ humanꯒꯤ activities ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒꯅꯤ environment ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯛꯁꯤ look here aduna environment habasi kaino I amuka halake combinations of natural and human made phenomena ngasai natural amadi ngasai miyoi bina semba adugumba phenomena mayam jingsigi combination ni habani ko sidai sida harise. And while the natural environment refers to both biotic and abiotic conditions existing on the earth, ngasai lairiba adugumba human amadi natural environment sigi marak sidai sida natural environment sida kari amuk yawgadage haiba matamda biotic and abiotic conditions existing on the earth. Ngasai natural environment sidai sida yawgadorisina biotic amadi abiotic condition akoi arta lairiba adugumba biotic amadi abiotic condition sina pullaga amuk natural environment semgani habani ko sidai sida biotic amadi abiotic habasina karino haba matamda somda yengo biotic habasina the world of living organisms, example plants and animals. Akoigi thawai panba jiva living organisms mayamgi world sibuna biotic haidana kawi ko aduga amuk abiotic habasina the world of non-living elements, for example land akoigi thawai pandaba adugumba non-living elements mayamgi world sibuna abiotic haidana kaure ko. I hope you all understood up to this. Then next, come to your next page. Koi mamangda natural environment ta kai yauge koi tamgre huji makha tarku matamda human environment reveals the activities, creations and interactions among human beings. Aduga human environment na kai yaugadage haiba matamda sai human beings mayamna pangthoiba activities adudagidi human beings mayamna semiba creations aduga ngasaigi human beings mayam jingsigi marakta lairiba adugumba interaction mayam jingsina amuk human environment haibase amuk semi haibani sidai sida haise aduna I hope you all understood up to this. Then next come to your next topic, natural environment. Hojik natural environment laktringi mamangda environment se karidagi lakke haibase hana yengsi ko. Environment, French word environner or environner meaning neighborhood. Environment habase French ki word ngasaigi environner amadi environner haiba term sidagi lauthorakpani ko meaning na neighborhood haibani ko koigi environment ki meaning se. Then next come to natural environment. Land, water, air, plants and animals comprises the natural environment. Natural environment habasida kai yawgadagi haiba matamda land, water, air, plants and animals siguma mayam jingsina pullagani environment. That means natural environment haidana semgadorise ko. And you are familiar with the meanings of lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere from your previous class. That means nakoigi class 6 ta in your class 6 we have already learned and we have already come across the term lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Let's recall some things about those terms. Aduna sigumba terms in sia koi hafetang recall taroksiko sidai sida lakadoise. Let's learn some more facts about these domains. Hujiki hairiba masigi lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere siguma mayam jingse domain ni ko. Aduna sigi domain jingsigi maramda akoi khara amuk discussion toksiko sidai sida. Lithosphere. Lithosphere is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. Lithosphere abasi kaino haiba matamda akoigi earth ki mathak ithang thangba akoigi solid oiba akanba part aduga ngasaigi mathak ithang thangba ngasaigi yamna kanba top layer akoigi earth ki mathak ithang thangbada leiba akanba adugumba solid oiba adugumba crust area dubuneba lithosphere haidana hais koi earth ki mathak ithang thangbada kupsallaga leiriba adugumba part dubuni lithosphere haidana hairise. It is made up of rocks and minerals and covered by a thin layer of soil. Saigi lithosphere haibase nung amadi minerals mayam jingsina punjallaga semgadoini ko aduga magi ngasaigi mathak ithang thangbase thin layer of soil gi apaba layer amana amuk kupsallaga laidorineba ngasaigi lithosphere haibasiti ko. And it is an irregular surface with various landforms such as mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, etc. ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯤꯊꯣꯁꯐꯤꯌꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯗꯤ ꯔꯤꯒꯨꯂꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯁꯔꯐꯦꯁ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ, ꯃꯥꯗꯤ ꯏꯔꯤꯒꯨꯂꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯁꯔꯐꯦꯁꯅꯦꯕ. ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯀꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯟ ꯐꯣꯝꯁ, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯎꯟꯇꯦꯟꯁ, ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ, ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯟꯁ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯚꯦꯂꯤꯁ, ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯀꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯟ ꯐꯣꯝꯁ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯃꯔꯨꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯂꯤꯊꯣꯁꯐꯤꯌꯔ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ. Landforms are found over the continents and also on the ocean floor. ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯦꯟꯐꯣꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯀꯟꯇꯤꯅꯦꯟꯇ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯃꯔꯨꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ, ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯑꯣꯁꯤꯟꯒꯤ, ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯃꯨꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯁꯤꯟꯒꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯣꯔ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯃꯔꯨꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯀꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯟꯐꯣꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ. Then next come to your next paragraph. Lithosphere is the domain that provides us forests, grassland for grazing, land for agriculture, and human settlement. Lithosphere ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯔꯠꯀꯤ ꯗꯣꯃꯦꯟꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯐꯣꯔꯦꯁ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ, ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯖꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯅꯅꯕ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯁꯂꯦꯟ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ, ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯇꯧꯅꯅꯕ ꯂꯦꯟ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ, ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯂꯩꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯦꯇꯜꯃꯦꯟ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯗꯣꯃꯦꯟꯗꯨꯕꯨꯅꯦꯕ ꯂꯤꯊꯣꯁꯐꯤꯌꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦꯀꯣ. And it is also a source of mineral wealth. ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯔꯠꯇ ꯐꯪꯉꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯤꯅꯔꯦꯜ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯐꯝꯁꯨ ꯂꯤꯊꯣꯁꯐꯤꯌꯔꯗꯒꯤꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ. ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯤꯛꯆꯔꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ, ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯤꯊꯣꯁꯐꯤꯌꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯊꯛ ꯏꯊꯪ ꯊꯪꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯔꯠꯀꯤ ꯂꯦꯌꯔ ꯂꯦꯟ ꯁꯔꯐꯦꯁꯁꯤꯕꯨꯅꯤ ꯂꯤꯊꯣꯁꯐꯤꯌꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦꯀꯣ. Then next, the domain of water is referred to as hydrosphere. ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯗꯣꯃꯦꯟ, ꯏꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯗꯣꯃꯦꯟꯗꯨꯕꯨꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯐꯤꯌꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ. It comprises various sources of water and different types of water bodies like rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, etc. ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯐꯤꯌꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ, ꯃꯥꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯇꯔ ꯁꯣꯔꯁꯦꯁ, ꯃꯈꯜ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯀꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯇꯔꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯔꯁꯦꯁ, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯝꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗ ꯔꯤꯚꯔꯁ, ꯂꯦꯛꯁ, ꯑꯣꯁꯤꯟ, ꯁꯤꯁ, ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯦꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ, ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯀꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯇꯔꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯔꯁꯦꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯒ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯐꯤꯌꯔꯒꯤ ꯗꯣꯃꯦꯟꯁꯦ. It is essential for all living organisms. ꯂꯤꯚꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯥꯅꯤꯖꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯆꯪꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯗꯣꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ. Then next, the atmosphere is the thin layer of air that surrounds the earth. Atmosphere ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯗꯣꯃꯦꯟꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯔꯠꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯜꯂꯒ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯤꯟ ꯂꯦꯌꯔ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯏꯌꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯥꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯦꯌꯔꯗꯨꯕꯨꯅꯤ ꯑꯦꯠꯃꯣꯁꯐꯤꯌꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ. The gravitational force of the earth hold the atmosphere around it. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯔꯠꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ gravitational forceꯁꯤꯅꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯠꯃꯣꯁꯐꯤꯌꯔꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯀꯣꯏꯕꯗ ꯍꯣꯜ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯔꯠꯀꯤ gravitational forceꯁꯤꯅꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ. It protect us. ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯠꯃꯣꯁꯐꯤꯌꯔꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯅꯦꯛꯁ ꯄꯦꯖꯇ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯤꯀꯣ. Protect us from the harmful rays and scorching heat of the sun. ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯠꯃꯣꯁꯐꯤꯌꯔꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ harmful rays, ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯗ ꯁꯣꯛꯀꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯔꯦꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯉꯥꯛꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯦ. ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯀꯟꯕ ꯍꯤꯠꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯦꯠꯃꯣꯁꯐꯤꯌꯔꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯇꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ. It consists of a number of gases, dust and water vapor. ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯠꯃꯣꯁꯐꯤꯌꯔꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯀꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯁ, dust, ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ water vapor ꯀꯌꯥ ꯃꯔꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ. The changes in the atmosphere produce changes in the weather and climate. ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯠꯃꯣꯁꯐꯤꯌꯔ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯦꯗꯔ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯏꯃꯦꯠ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯍꯜꯂꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ. Then next, plant and animal kingdoms together make biosphere or the living world. ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯕꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯅꯤꯃꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯀꯤꯡꯗꯝ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯒ biosphere ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ living world ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯁꯦꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ. It is a narrow zone of the earth where land, water and air interact with each other to support life. ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ biosphere ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ, ꯃꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯈꯨꯕ ꯖꯣꯟ ꯑꯃꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯔꯠꯀꯤ. ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯖꯣꯟꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯂꯦꯟ, water amadi air makhoi ngasai gi akhoi gi life sibu support taunanaba ngasai gi makhoi ahumse pullaga pulap punna interact tauraga semba adugumba makhalgi akhoi gi art ki zone dubuni biosphere haidana hairise ko ai amuka halake. I repeat, biosphere haibasina karino haiba matamda aikoigi life sibu support taunanaba ngasai land, water amadi air makhoi jingsina interact tauraga semba adugumba narrow zone dubuni biosphere haidana hairise. I hope you all understood up to this. Then next come to what is ecosystem. Ecosystem haibasi karino haibani ko adudi somda glossary da yengsi. Ecosystem is a system formed by the interaction of all living organisms with each other and with the physical and chemical factors of the environment in which they live, all linked by transfer of energy and material. Ecosystem haibadi ngasai lairiba living organisms mayam jingsina ngasai lairiba magi ngasai mahakna settle tauraga lairiba makhoina lairiba adugumba environment sidaisida lairiba adugumba living organisms mayam jingduga ngasai magi chemicals amadi physical factors mayam jingchiga punna pullaga interact tauraga laiba adugumba makhalgi system dubuneba ecosystem haidana hairisi ngasai makhoigi adudaiduda lairiba magi ngasai energy amadi material sigumba mayam jingse amaga transfer taunaraga semba adugumba makhalgi system dubuni ecosystem haidana hairise ko ai amuka halake. Ecosystem haibadi karino haiba matamda saigi living organisms mayam jingsina amaga interaction tauraga semba adugumba makhalgi system amaneba kamaina sembano haiba matamda ngasai living organisms mayam lairiba makhalgi living organisms mayam jingchigi marakta amaga interact tauraga ngasai makhoina lairiba adugumba environment se sidaisida ngasai lairiba adugumba makhalgi physical amadi chemical factors mayam jingsiga loinana ngasai lairiba adugumba living organisms mayam jingse makhoi jingsiga punna interact tauraga semba adugumba makhalgi system dubuni ecosystem haidan hairisi. I hope you all understood what ecosystem is. Then come to your next page. Look here. This is the ecosystem of pond ecosystem. Pond gi ecosystem amani ko sida lairiba jiba panba mayam jingse amaga loinamak interact taunaraga laibagi mamiduni sida urisi aduna ecosystem haibadi kaino haiba matamda saigi lairiba masigi environment sida lairiba adugumba living organisms mayam jingsiga saigi lairiba makoigi living organisms mayam jingchigi marakta amaga interaction taunaraga ngasai makhoina lairiba adugumba environment sida fangiba physical and chemical factors mayam jingsiga ngasai lairiba living organisms mayam jingsiga amaga gi marakta interaction taunaraga semba adugumba makhalgi system dubuni ko ngasai ecosystem haidana hairise aduna sigi picture si ubadana koi adum khangamani na khale. Then come to your next page. Look here. All plants, animals, and human beings depends on their immediate surroundings. Saigi pambi animals amadi human beings mayam jingse makhoigi surrounding jingsidai amaga depend taunaraga loinamak laye. Haibadi ngasai plant jingsu animal da depend tawi animals plant da depend tawi adudagi ngasai human beings su plants da depend tawi adagi plants su human beings da depend tawi sumai tawdana amaga loinamak depend taunaraga lay haibani ko. And often they are also interdepend on each other. Aduga makhoi jingse amaga amuk interdependent loinamak oinaraga lay haibani ko. And these relations between the living organisms as well as the relation between the organisms and their surroundings form an ecosystem. Aduna ecosystem haibasi kaino sida amu hena munna khangani ko. aduna ngasai lairiba plants, animals and human beings makhoi mayam jingse amaga depend loinamak tawnaraga lei, amaga interdependent loinamak oinaraga lei ko. Aduna ngasai dependence amadi ngasai interdependent oinabagi ngasai relation se kana gi ngasai living organisms mayam jingse marakta lairiba adugumba relations adudagidi amuk ngasai lairiba adugumba organism jingsiga makhoi surrounding jingsiga gi marakta lairiba adugumba relations mayam jingsa sigi relation jingsina neba ecosystem haidana form tawgadoribase. Ay amuka halake ngasai living organisms mayam jingsigi marakta lairiba relation as well as ngasai organism jingsiga makhoi surrounding jingsiga lainariba adugumba makhalgi relation jingsinani ecosystem haibase form tawdoribase haibani ko sida hairise. I hope you all understood ecosystem very clearly. The next, there could be an ecosystem of large rainforest, grassland, desert, mountains, lake, river, ocean, and even a small pond. Aduna ngasai ecosystem haibase achauba rainforest, adudagidi grassland, deserts, mountains, lake, river, ocean, and even puki macha sigumba mayam jingsisu makhoi masa masagi oijaba ecosystem amamam lei haibaduni ko sida hairise. I hope you all understood up to this. Now come to your next topic, human environment. Student, before coming to human environment, first of all, look here. This is very important. On 5 June every year, the World Environment Day is celebrated. World Environment Day se chahi khudingi 5 June da celebrate tawe habani ko. And look again here, glossary, barter system. Barter system habsi karino habani ko. See, it is a trade in which goods are exchanged without the use of money. Barter system habadi trading system amaneba. Aduda karama makalgi trading system no haiba matamda money yaudana. Saigi money se yaudana pot ka exchange tawnabagi aduguma makalgi trading system dubuni barter system haidana haris. Ayamuka halake barter system dadi ngasai money habase laitri ko aduna money tholokching egi mamangda lairamba adugumba trading system dubuneba barter system maise aduda kamaina tawge haba matamda money yaudana pot ka ondhoknaraga ngasai trade tawnabagi system dubuni barter system haidan hairise. I hope you all understood what is barter system. Now come to human environment. Hauji akhoi mamangda natural environment loigre ko. Hauji human environment nong yengsi. Human beings interact with the environment and modify it according to their need. Sai human beings mayam jingsina koigi environment jingsiga makhoi interact tawrani aduga ngasai makhoi apamagi matungina environment se makhoina semdok semjin makhoina modify tawe habani ko ngasai human beings jingsina. Early humans adapted themselves to the natural surroundings. Tuna thainigi matamda lairamba ancient people jingdi makoigi ngasai lifestyle je natural surroundings sida makoi hingba ngamnanaba adapt tawnanaba honayeba, and they lead a simple life and fulfill their requirements from the nature around them. Aduna makoina natural surroundings sida makoi adapt tawnanaba honay aduga makoigi life se yamna simple oiba life amoina hingi aduga ngasai makoigi requirements makoigi darkar taba mayam jingse makoi akoibada lairiba natures mayam jingsidagi makoi phangnanaba honarameba makoigi darkar tabadu khaktang oina makoi phangagadi yare haibagi idea da makoigi requirement makoigi darkar tabadu khaktang fulfill tawnanaba thainigi miyoi jingsina honarame haibani ko. But with time needs grew and becomes more varied. Aduna ngasai lairiba matam hongakpagi matungina ngasai akoigi ngasai lairiba miyoiba jingsigi makoigi ngasai lifestyle sida change lakpagi matungina ngasai miyoiba jingsigi makoigi lairiba adugumba lifestyle sisu matam hongakpagi matungina makhal makha kayagi varied different types ta makoigi ngasai needs amadi makoigi ngasai aningba apama mayam jingjisu matam hongakpagi matungina sum change story habani ko aduna human learns new ways to use and change environments aduna ngasai matam hongakpagi matungina ngasai miyoiba jingsina makal makha kayagi akoigi new ways ngasai lairiba adugumba natural environment jingside makoina makal makha kayagi different ways ta kamdong na use tawgadagi habse makoina learn tawba haurai aduga ngasai environment mayam jingse kamdong na change tawrakadagi kamaina use tawgadagi haibana chingbagi idea jingse ngasai human beings mayam jingsina khangba haurai haibani ko sidai sida harise they learn to grow crops domesticate animals and lead a settled life Mamangayda hunter gatherers oina kocha chatlaga afang charaga hingambagi ngasai lifestyle dudagi ngasai mi jingsina makoigi idea mayam jing grew tarokbagi matungina they learn to grow crops kamdawna thagani habasi makoi learn tawba haurae adudagi di amuk domesticate animals mayam jing kamdawna yokani habasi makoi khangba haurae adudagi di settle life mafam amadagi amada kocha chatlaga laibasi tuoga particular area laiba nungaidadaba area khallaga makoi settle tawba haibase haure haibani sidagidi ko The wheel was invented, surplus food was produced, barter system emerged, trade started, and commerce developed. Saigi kanghong invented tawrakiba adudagidi amuk surplus food was produced. Saigi makoigi cha nanaba saigi food haibadi makoina thoidok hendokna produce tawraga store tawraga thamba haurakiba adudagidi amuk barter system ngasai ai noji mamang haigibaduni ko barter system haibase aduna adugi barter system se haurakiba adudagidi amuk trade haurakpa jaga amaga adudagidi amuk commerce develop tarakpa aduna sigumba makhal makha kayagi activities kaya marum ama ngasai miyoiba jingsina develop tawrae haibani ko and industrial revolutions enable large-scale production. Industrial revolution lakpadagidi large-scale production je yamna puthokpagi chang hengalakiba. Adagidi amuk transportation became faster. Transportation mafum amadagi mafum amada puthok pusin tawbagi ngasai transportation gi system jisu yamna yanghalakpa. And information revolutions made communications easier and speedy across the world. Aduna ngasai information gi revolution ama lakpase masisina ngasai communications lamamaga gi marakta laiba communication je yam laina communicate tawba amakpa aduga ngasai jaga amaga katang communication tawbada natana prithibi sinba thungna ngasai communication tawbagi changse ngasai information revolution lakpadagi di yamna laina communicate tawba ngamakpa aduna sigumba makhal makha kayagi changes kaya marum mama ngasai human beings jingsina pore habani ko ngasai natural environment sidai sida aduna thainigi matamda lairamiba ancient people jingjidi natural environment ta makoi gi dakar tabudu khaktang adapt tawraga madu khatang lauraga makoi hingjaramane adubu matam hongakbagi matungina ngasai miyoiba jingsigi idea develop tarokbagi matungina makoi ngasai lifestyle mayam jingjida change lae masi change lakpasina ngasai natural environment jingsibu kamdongna use tawgadagi haibasisu hanadagi howna makhal makha kya marumda makoina modified tawbase haurakhi haibani ko ngasai human being jingsina sidai sida harise. Now look here. Have you ever thought why you love eating a juicy watermelon in summer and hot roasted peanuts in winter? Sidai sida harise. Aduna sidai sida question nama hangai ko. Sidai man hangiba question si kaino haiba matamda aikoina summer dana watermelon chaningba aduga winter dana hot roasted peanut chaningba sigise kari maramgi oiramba yage aikoina sumaina chaningba puise karigidamakta chaningba oiramba yage haidana question nama hangi ko sise kaino haiba matamda a perfect balance is necessary between the natural and human environment. Akoina ngasai summer dana watermelon chaningba adudagidi amuk winter dana hot roasted peanut chaningba sigise akoina chaningibase ꯀꯔꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯅꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯅꯣꯡꯇ ꯈꯜꯂꯨꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅꯅꯦ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯪꯉꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯪꯉꯤꯕꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯕꯦꯂꯦꯟꯁ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯦꯆꯔꯦꯜ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯍ꯭ꯌꯨꯃꯦꯟ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯔꯣꯟꯃꯦꯟꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯄꯔꯐꯦꯛ ꯕꯦꯂꯦꯟꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯝꯃꯔꯗꯨꯗ ꯍꯣꯠ ꯔꯣꯁꯇꯦꯠ ꯄꯤꯅꯠ ꯀꯅꯥꯁꯨ ꯆꯥꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯤꯟꯇꯔꯗ ꯋꯥꯇꯔꯃꯦꯂꯟ ꯀꯅꯥꯁꯨ ꯆꯥꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯋꯤꯟꯇꯔꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯤꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯁꯥꯕ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯤ ꯁꯝꯃꯔꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯌꯤꯡꯕ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯁꯝꯃꯔꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯌꯤꯡꯕ ꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯋꯤꯟꯇꯔꯗ ꯑꯁꯥꯕ ꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯕꯦꯂꯦꯟꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯕꯒꯤꯅꯤ ꯕꯦꯂꯦꯟꯁ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯩꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯝꯃꯔꯗꯅ ꯋꯥꯇꯔꯃꯦꯂꯟ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯋꯤꯟꯇꯔꯗꯅ ꯍꯣꯠ ꯔꯣꯁꯇꯦꯠ ꯄꯤꯅꯠ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯕꯦꯂꯦꯟꯁ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯒꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯦꯆꯔꯦꯜ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯍ꯭ꯌꯨꯃꯦꯟ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯔꯣꯟꯃꯦꯟꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯔꯐꯦꯛ ꯕꯦꯂꯦꯟꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯝꯃꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯅꯦꯆꯔꯦꯜ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯔꯣꯟꯃꯦꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕꯗꯨ ꯐꯠꯇꯦ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯕꯦꯂꯦꯟꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯁꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯄꯗ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯍ꯭ꯌꯨꯃꯦꯟꯁ ꯃꯁ ꯂꯔꯟ ꯇꯨ ꯂꯤꯚ and use their environment in a harmonious way ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯅꯦꯆꯔ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯍ꯭ꯌꯨꯃꯦꯟ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯔꯣꯟꯃꯦꯟꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯔꯐꯦꯛ ꯕꯦꯂꯦꯟꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯦꯟꯇꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯏꯝꯄꯣꯔꯇꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯔꯣꯟꯃꯦꯟꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯥꯔꯃꯣꯅꯤꯌꯁ ꯋꯦꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯇꯝꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ So student, with this we have completed your chapter number 1. I hope you all understood what we have explained or what we have learned so far. Your remaining chapters will explain in upcoming videos.